In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Notion app on your laptop or PC. This process is straightforward and doesn't take much time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Notion up and running on your device, ready to help you organize your projects, notes, and much more efficiently. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the official Notion download page on your web browser. You can do this by searching Notion Downloads or entering the URL directly if you have it. It's always a good idea to download applications from their official websites to ensure you're getting the latest and safest version available. Once you arrive at the Notion download page, you'll notice that the website typically figures out what operating system you're using, whether it's Windows or Mac. This is a handy feature because it eliminates any guesswork on your part and helps streamline the process. On the page, you should see a download button specifically tailored to your operating system. It will say either download for Windows or download for Mac, depending on what you're using. Click on this button to start downloading the installer file. Keep an eye on where this file is being saved on your computer, typically in the Downloads folder unless you've specified otherwise, as you'll need to access it shortly. Now let's wait for the file to finish downloading. This usually won't take long, but the time can vary slightly depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file on your computer and double-click to open it. A window should pop up to guide you through the installation process. This part typically involves a few straightforward steps like accepting license agreements and choosing installation preferences. Make sure to read each prompt carefully, even though most of them can be left to their default settings unless you have specific needs. Follow through with the installer's prompts until you reach the option to complete the setup. Once the installation is finished, your computer might prompt you to launch the app immediately. If it doesn't, you can find Notion by searching for it in your Start menu on Windows or in the Applications folder on Mac. Upon launching Notion for the first time, you might need to log into your account or create a new one if you're a new user. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete this final step, and you should be all set. Having the Notion app on your laptop or PC makes accessing and managing your projects and notes so much more convenient, and I hope this guide has made the installation process a breeze for you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!